Hi everyone, welcome to Roboze headquarters in Houston, Texas. I'm Francesco Pantaleone. I'm the Executive Vice President of Business Development here at Roboze. I joined Roboze about 3 years ago after spending more than a decade with one of the largest high-performance polymers material manufacturer in the world. Roboze was born with the vision of helping customers solve their most critical challenges and help them manufacture the product that will shape our future world. Imagine having the capability to manufacture parts that aren't possible to be produced in any other way, in a more sustainable way, and while bringing back manufacturing close to the point of use. If you think about it, this has a massive impact at every level. It empowers local manufacturers to be back in business and competitive, and as well end users to be more agile in challenging economical environments. For that, we built the most repeatable production technology for high-performance polymers, allowing customers to bring parts on demand for extreme application with the consistency and quality standards that are needed in regulated industries. Our main driver is passion. Passion for technology advancement, with the commitment to deliver our customers the current and future technology to keep them innovating. If you're ready to print strong like metal, we're looking forward to creating value and innovation together.